people ask, what is Zen? Traditionally, the true essence of Zen has been held in the clouded mist of the inscrutable Oriental way of thinking. Yet at the same time, its growing popularity in the West is due to its simplicity of practice.
Yoga is so much more than asana on the mat. It is a way of life. It is a practice that grows with love and compassion, becoming a part of our everyday existence.
Zen is the actualization of our enriched Buddhist minds in our daily activities. It is the doing that comes from the knowing.
We have 100% control over the emotions that arise. We observe them without judgment. We act consciously instead of reacting unconsciously. No regrets.
Zen is not fate. It is not a faith or a philosophy. It is not a psychology or a form of social science. It is close to what is known in India as a way of liberation.
Through yoga, we can choose to let go of unwanted habits and allow space to introduce the habits that benefit the well-being of our body, spirit, and mind.
Through the regular practice of Zen meditation, known as Zazen, it brings us to a state of peace and tranquility and contentment in our life. There is no dogmatic ideology in Zen. For this reason, it can be practiced by anyone of any or no religion. This is Zen.